Hey YouTube's Mystery Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's newly amplified Harmony of the Seas. We're on deck 4. Check it out. What could this possibly be? Oh yeah, it's the casino. We're in port today, so the casino is closed, so we're able to film in here today. But look at this. This is a huge casino. They got table games and slots everywhere. Naturally, there's a bar, more table games, and more slots. All right, it's one of my favorite games where I make my donation, dancing drums, got roulette. More roulette. And for the high rollers, got this little nook here. But wait, there's more. Little nook of slots, got table games and slots all around. Hope you liked this video, so please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching.